Hi everyone, Yavar here from VPMA. In this quick video, we're going to download and install a Control-M agent on a Windows host. Before we do that, there are a few prerequisites that we need to make sure are met. One, we need to make sure we have Java installed on our Windows host. And for Control-M agent version 9.22, Java version 21 is recommended. So if I navigate over to Programs and Files, we can see here that I have OpenJDK version 21 installed. Next, we need to make sure our Windows host has a minimum of 4 CPUs and 6 gigabytes of RAM, and this will allow us to run about 100 jobs concurrently. You can visit the BMC documentation for Control-M agent installations to get the full specification details. Next, you want to make sure you have the Control-M agent installation files downloaded and placed in a temp folder. If you don't already have the Control-M agent installation files, you can download it from the BMC products download tool. To do so, you can navigate over to bmc.com, scroll all the way down, downloads, product download tool. Here it may ask you to log in, so go ahead and log in. After you're logged in this top search box here, we want to search for Control-M/agent. And we want to select Control-M agent for Unix and Microsoft Windows. From here, we can select the version of the Control-M agent we're trying to download. So for me, it'll be 9.22. From here, we can filter for our platform. So for me, it'll be Microsoft Windows. Next, we can select our Control-M agent installation files. Simply click on download and place your installation files in a temp directory. So now that we have our Control-M agent installation files downloaded, we can right click and extract. Okay, once your extraction is complete, you can right click on the setup and run as administrator. Here we can review the license agreement and accept. In the next panel, we can specify our installation path. Then we need to enter our primary Control-M server host. Do a test. Make sure the host is available. Below it, you can enter any other additional authorized Control-M server hosts. Below it, we have the agent to server port and server to agent port. These are by default set to 7005 and 7006. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. Here we get a summary of our installation details. We can click on next. And now our installation begins. Now that our Control-M agent was installed successfully, we can go ahead and add it to our Control-M environment. That way we can create and run jobs on it. To do so, we want to open up our Control-M environment's web client, navigate over to our applications and go to configuration. From here, we want to go to agents, add agent, select the first option, agent. So in this right-hand pop-up, we can enter all of our agent details. Our Control-M server should by default be selected. Next, we can enter the host name of the Control-M agent that we want to add, the server to agent port that we used in our installation. Here we can do a test to make sure that our agent can connect to our Control-M server. And we can see the agent YKN MS SQL is in fact available. So now we add, it'll do another test. And now our Control M agent is successfully installed and added to our Control M environment. Thanks for watching.